to my channel. Today's video is going to be another day in the life. I'm going to be taking you guys along with me. I have to run a few errands. I need to drop off a box for my daughter at the post office. I'm going to attempt to try to go to Aldi. I haven't been there in months and there are a few items that I do like to get from there. So I'm going to see how long the line is. If it's too long, I'm just going to go to the regular grocery store. And then later on tonight, I'm going to prepare a delicious dinner recipe idea. And that's it. Just take you guys along with me. I think it'll be fun. So let's see where the day takes us.
Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. Why you tryna fight? Just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that.
So I moved the plants on this side of the wall. They used to be in this corner, but we did get this exercise equipment now. So since we can't go to the gym, this has been working out nicely. I'm gonna try and get in like a 25-minute workout later. I have my weights down there and I have my DB method machine that I have been loving. So yeah, I think the plants are actually more happy here. They're getting a little more light as opposed to that other corner. So yeah, I'm happy with the setup and at least we're getting our exercise in as well. It's so beautiful outside. I hope it stays this way. And I just have on my jean jacket. So I'm just sitting inside my car, letting it warm up a minute. But yeah, it's such a beautiful day outside. And I don't know, it just makes me feel so happy and like motivated and like I can get so much stuff done. So let's see if that's true. I'm gonna head to the post office. I wanna send this box off to my daughter. Those of you who don't know, I have a 24-year-old daughter named Jessica. She lives in Florida. So yeah, I was worried because that's what we do as moms. We worry that she didn't have enough stuff like sanitizer or masks. So she's good with her mask, but she did need some sanitizer. So I'm sending her a box with a few goodies, 2 bottles of sanitizer, one big one that she can use in the house, and another small one that she could use in her car. So yeah, I'm just going to be doing that. And then I want to run to Aldi and see how long the line is. It's a beautiful day, so I'm sure that there's going to be a line of people. If there is, I'm just gonna come back and go to the grocery store near my house to get the stuff that I need. And later I want to get the kids outside to play basketball or maybe ride bikes just to get some fresh air because they have been cooped up in the house and they need fresh air. So yeah, I'm going to be taking you guys along with me and let's go. Let's see how much stuff we can get done today.
Associates healthy and safe in our stores, we're asking everyone to practice social distancing. Please do your part by having just...
I made it. I went to the grocery store, I went to the post office. I accomplished what I had to get done. The line was very long as I thought. I'll insert a clip here. So I just went to the grocery store, but the grocery store had a little bit of a line, but surprisingly it went pretty quick. So yeah, now I'm just going to go home, show you guys a little haul of everything that I got, and then I'm going to try and get the kids outside. So yeah, let's get out of here. Okay, so I'm just getting back from the grocery store and I laid everything out, and I'm gonna show you guys a small grocery haul of the stuff that I did get. So I got beans, beef stock, green beans, basil, I got some frozen peas, carrots, Kind bars, crackers. These muffins are really good. I'm probably gonna make them tomorrow for the kids. Some avocados, some egg whites, some cut up mango, Smart Pockets. I don't know if you guys have ever tried these for your kids, but they're organic. Instead of like the fruit by the foot, they're much healthier. So those are really good. I got some pancakes, a bag of potatoes, some tea bags, some grapes, bananas, some crescent rolls, and a jar of Nutella. So yeah, that's everything, and now I'm going to put everything away. So I just made myself some lunch here. I have a piece of Munster cheese, tomato, cucumber, fat-free mayo on a pocket, and a slice of turkey, and I'm gonna finish my water. So let's take a little glance at the tornado, aka kids room. This is an interesting place for dirty clothes on top of the chair. I'm gonna show you guys a delicious recipe. It is a Peruvian recipe, but translated in English, it would be like a pesto sauce. and it has healthy ingredients, and even my son loves it. So I'm gonna ask my husband to say how you say it in Spanish.
Tallarines Verdes.
Which is green spaghetti. So what you're gonna need is a medium-sized onion, 2 cloves of garlic, a can of evaporated milk, a box of spaghetti or any pasta of your choice, 3 handfuls of spinach. I got baby, but it can be regular. About 1 handful of basil, which I already have here washed. And this is queso fresco. It's kind of hard to find. You have to get it in like a specialty market. But you can also use feta. I love feta, but my husband and my son think it tastes a little bit too strong. So that's why I buy this. And if you can find it, great. If not, you can use whatever you like. He already took a piece out of it. So I'm probably gonna use like 3/4 of this piece for it. And then I'll come back on and show you the next steps in a sec. Okay, so what you wanna do is start to saute the onion first, because that takes longer. And then once that's going a little bit, then put the garlic in. So here I'm just trying with one hand to get all the onion in. Okay. And I just put some olive oil in the pan. While that is going, I'm going to take about 3 handfuls of the spinach. It's already washed. There's no exact measurement, so I just eyeball everything. 3. And then my handful of basil right on top. What I like about this dish is that it's super easy, because basically all you're cooking, I have my pot there for the pasta, and then you're just going to saute your onion and garlic, and then everything's gonna go in the blender. So let that go a minute. So again, this 3 handfuls of spinach, 1 handful of basil. I'm gonna let this cook up a minute, and I'm gonna come back and show you the next. Okay, so next I'm going to put the cheese. I hope I can get this in with one hand. Hold on. I'm putting all the cheese in. Oop. A couple pieces fell. Pick them up. Okay. And you're going to use about 3/4 of this. There's really no exact measurement, but this is how I do it. A little bit more. Okay. And then you're just going to put your cooked, and again, you do not have to cook these all the way. You're just basically sauteing them a little bit. You just add that in. Sorry, I'm doing this with one hand. Okay. And then you're just going to blend it up. It would help if it was plugged in. Okay. It's gonna take a while, and I'll come back. Next, you're going to want to add about 2 teaspoons of butter and the blended mixture right to this pan. It smells so good. Okay, you want to put this on low, cover it, and cook your pasta, and then I'll come back and show you the end result. So my pasta's done, and the sauce here had thickened up. So I'm just going to put a nice spoon over to keep it from getting dry or stuck together until I'm ready to serve it. And then, of course, I put more on. So here it is. You could put it as much or as little as you'd like. And it's smells so delicious. Can't wait to eat it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I hope that you enjoyed this day in the life, and I hope that you try out that recipe. It's so good. And if you have not subscribed already, please do. I would love to have you. And I will see you guys again real soon in another video. Bye!